हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम लोग 30 डेज ऑफ कोड का डे 5 करेंगे, जिसमें हम लोग को जो क्वेश्चन करना है वो लूप्स पे है। तो आइए देखते हैं हम लोग को क्या टास्क करना है। गिवन एन इंटीजर एंड प्रिंट इट्स फर्स्ट 10 मल्टीपल्स ईच मल्टीपल n into I where I is from 1 to 10 should be printed on a new line in the form of n into I equal to result n equal to 3. The print out should look like this. तो हम लोग को करना ये है कि इस क्वेश्चन में हम लोग को एक इंटीजर n दिया रहेगा और इसके 10 मल्टीपल्स को प्रिंट कराना है, और वो होना चाहिए हम लोग को n इंटू आई इक्वल टू रिजल्ट के फॉर्म में। तो मैं इंग्लिश में भी समझा देता हूँ। This is a question which is based on loop concept where we have given an integer n and we have to print its first 10 multiples, and we have to print it into in the format n into I equal to the result. We have given an example that is n equal to 3 and we have to print something like that. So let's come to the code. We have only already given n input, so we have to code further. For I in range 1 comma 11, we have to print from 1 to 10, so we have right here 1 comma 11, and we all know that the right hand side, this is 11, is not inclusive in the range function, so it will taken from only from 1 to 10. And now we have to print n comma x comma I comma equal to comma and n into I for result. So let's print and check it is running or not. So our test case is passed, and this program is right. So for the next question, let's come in the next video. Thank you.